These are images taken at the same area, not necessarily the same room. They may not be associated at all with the angle from the camera, but this is other information that came from 2016 during a renovation involving the area and also another business nearby. Here we are. So this image here is important in reference to this. That background area is this here, most likely. And this has a green wall here and carpeting on the bottom and some painting going on here, missing tiles, and you can see this sort of arrangement. And then when we turn around, the image points the other way, and that shows us the process that it's gone through. Now, the original appearance of these areas was obviously the, I'm going to call it beige or yellowed walls and carpet with a lighting in the ceiling, and now it's green. So this is a later time, obviously 2016. This is progress getting it to be in this condition. This is before that, apparently. And this is another view from the same sort of pattern. And this is some people doing some work here. And again, that is comparable to that image there, because you can see the electrical boxes. This may or may not be the same room. I'm not really able to corroborate it, so I'm not going to say it is. But it does have the trunk conduit here for hiding low power lines, data lines, that sort of thing in the background. That is so stereotypical from the images that we're concerned with. And here is our, the original image. Now, where I found this, I decided to do an update and look up, the location, Oregon Street, Oshkosh, Wisconsin. Not typing in backrooms, but looking up anything referencing it that people might have dug up. And here is a page run by Matt Fife. And May 30th, 2024. And it has Farrell McGuire referenced as the source or whatever. And that's some of, but not all of the images. And it turns out the images were mostly from Reddit and other places. And someone decided to do a diagram of where they were likely the images were taken. I'm not going to put it on the screen because the person has recanted some of the stuff in it. So until they finish working on it, I'm not going to mess with it. But there's a link there. And it was a company called Fabulous Finds that uploaded the images. And here's the Reddit post that has a lot of the images, or most of them. And I'm just going to read verbatim what it says down here. I'll have a variation of it in my own one. The pictures come from Fabulous Finds during a renovation in 2016. They used to be part of the location and got renovated, but much later, giving time for the pictures to be taken. Some of the pictures have the exact same designs, etc., 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 what we've already noticed. Also, there's a staircase. There's also another image that shows that there was a bathroom in the back rooms. And it's extremely stark and sterile looking. But you've already seen most of the imagery. So that's that. So, now we're back at the beginning. That's all this is. I'm just going to have links to archived copies of the images. And yet again, nobody archived anything. So this is basically a video as a stub. So we have archives of these images. I'm sure there are more images. When people do a renovation like this, they take lots of photos like this and then this, because it gives you a true idea of what's going on. I've actually done photo work like this and even did one as an example to show people how you do this. Nobody seems to take photos that completely document a scene, and that's bad. If that had been done, there would be a bunch of photos on someone's memory drive someplace, and we would have all of this stuff 3D'd out by now. So thanks for watching. Have a good day. Good luck with that. And yeah, that's more data. Bye.